OMG, I'm out and it was absolutely amazing. Oh wow, so cold, but like I just feel like I have left the weight of this whole world in the water. Incredible. And the water is so amazing and it's so clean. I can actually see the fish at my feet. It's absolutely stunning. What a way just to be able to let go. And oh my god, as soon as I went in and just got submerged and everything, all of a sudden, you know, the busyness of the week, or as I spoke about in the other video, it didn't matter. It was gone because I was just having them few moments just for myself. Absolutely stunning. Can't recommend it enough. Oh wow, feel absolutely amazing. Just feel revitalized, restored, renewed, refreshed, and ready for the evening ahead and the week ahead as well. So guys, I hope you're all doing so well and take care. I'll chat soon. Bye.